Before we talk about the components of a meter station, let's look at some of the characteristics of gas flowing through a pipe. When natural gas flows through a pipe, it exerts a constant pressure against the pipe walls. This flowing pressure is commonly referred to as static pressure. If a constriction, such as this orifice plate, is placed inside a pipe, the velocity or speed of the gas will increase as it passes through the constriction. This assures the same flow rate of gas, even though it is passing through a smaller area. With the increased velocity of the gas, there is a decrease in the flowing or static pressure. This pressure drop is known as differential pressure. Differential pressure is the difference between the upstream and downstream static pressures. Regardless of how it is designed or where it is located, all orifice meter stations have the same basic configuration. It consists of the primary element with its associated components and the secondary element. The primary element is made up of the meter tube, the orifice fitting or flange union, and the orifice plate. Associated components that might be found in the meter station include thermal wells, back pressure regulators, check valves, isolation valves, vent valves, and test connections. The secondary element is made up of meter piping, meter manifold, and the orifice meter. Those are the parts you'll find in a typical meter station. Let's break it down and talk a little about each piece. The meter tube is that straight section of the pipe on the upstream and downstream sides of the orifice fitting or flange union. The purpose of the meter tube is to deliver natural gas to and past the orifice plate with as little turbulence as possible. Any turbulence at the orifice plate will result in an inaccurate measurement of the gas. An orifice plate like this one is designed to create a pressure drop in the meter tube. It is a flat steel plate with a circular, square-edged hole carefully machined through it. The downstream side of the orifice plate is beveled and must be properly set in the orifice fitting or flange union. The orifice plate is held in position in the meter tube by flange unions or orifice fittings. There are several types of orifice fittings, such as the senior, junior, and simplex. Check with your supervisor regarding what unit is used in your area. The meter tube, orifice fitting, and orifice plate are considered the primary elements of a meter station. There are, however, several additional components, which are also important in the accurate measurement of natural gas. The orifice meter stations in your area may have all or some of the following components. The thermal well provides a location where the temperature of the natural gas can be measured. Since thermal wells can create unwanted turbulence, they are usually located downstream of the orifice plate.